Now let's turn things over to Lisette Gonzalez with the latest on the forecast for Michael. Lisette.
Lauren and Maribel, as you can see, Hurricane Michael is a large and powerful, extremely dangerous Category 4 hurricane. Here on the satellite image, this could be the strongest hurricane to hit the Florida Panhandle since records have been kept since 1851. And already those rain bands are bearing down not only on the Florida Panhandle, but parts of Alabama and the Northeast Gulf Coast. Look at that well-defined eye. And here overnight and over the past few hours, Hurricane Michael has been intensifying still, even as we take a look at the latest advisory. Now we're getting those hourly updates. Hurricane hunters going and investigating and finding that the pressure has been falling, and that's an indication of a strengthening hurricane, unfortunately. So you can see the size of the storm. It is a Cat 4. Max sustained winds 140 miles an hour, moving north 13 miles an hour. Forecast to move northeast, make landfall early afternoon somewhere near Panama City or Apalachicola, and then continue to move across the Panhandle. Eventually Category 1 likely overnight tonight into tomorrow as it sweeps across Georgia, and then eventually just produces tons of rain and unfortunately the potential for flooding across the Carolinas. And as we look back at the historic tracks of hurricanes that have impacted the Florida Panhandle since 1851, since records have been kept, we've had 19 hurricanes, but never have we had a Category 4 or a Category 5 hurricane impact the Florida Panhandle. So this is an unprecedented historic event and unfortunately a catastrophic event unfolding when you take a look at the highest threat for those tropical storm force winds and the potential for widespread down trees and power outages. The highest threat not only for the Florida Panhandle, because remember those impacts stretch out well away from the center of this massive hurricane. It's going to be impacting much of Alabama, Georgia into South Carolina, and also life-threatening storm surge 9 to 13 feet will be possible. And not only that, flash flood watches stretching from the Florida Panhandle to Georgia and the Carolinas, as some areas could see anywhere from 4 to 8 inches of rain, isolated amounts of up to 12 inches of rain in those areas shaded in red. And a tornado watch has already been issued for the Florida Panhandle. We could see some tornadoes on the northeast quadrant with that spin up usually anticipated along that quadrant. For us locally, there are some downpours. Most of them are kind of hanging out along the coastal areas near Deerfield Beach, though, affecting parts of 95, Lighthouse Point, Pompano Beach, Lauderdale by the Sea, as well as Port Everglades and near Fort Lauderdale. So some of the roads are slick out there. Also Aventura dealing with the rain, North Miami, Hialeah. These showers are moving generally from south to north, and we already had wet weather downtown Miami. Hey, the Keys, you're waking up to a dry start. The breeze out of the southeast, 720 miles an hour. 79 rain cool degrees in Pompano Beach. Elsewhere, though, low 80s, and highs will climb to around 89 today with sun, breeze, and the chance for these quick showers from time to time. For boaters, winds south 10 to 15 knot, seas 3 to 5, and there's still dangerous high risk of rip currents through 7 a.m. So after that, just still want to be careful out there since we're dealing with the onshore winds, and coastal flooding will still be possible due to the higher than normal tides. Although the king tides peaked yesterday, still around high tide times between 2 and 4 p.m. Could see some minor coastal flooding today. Tonight, mild and humid with the upper 70s, a few showers. As we look at the extended forecast, tomorrow we'll see a mix of sun and scattered storms. Highs will be a bit warmer. The winds will actually start to decrease tonight into the latter part of the week. Into the weekend, will be hot and steamy with highs around 90 with a mix of sun and scattered storms.